Welcome back, design enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxurious interior design as we explore 12 stunning living rooms in Los Angeles homes, all adorned with the timeless elegance of slate stone. Get ready to be inspired by the seamless integration of this exquisite natural material, which elevates these living spaces to new heights of sophistication and charm. Breathtaking designs, slate stone takes center stage as accent walls, adding a touch of organic beauty and texture to the room. It's not just a choice of material, it's a statement of opulence. The interplay of light and shadow on these slate surfaces creates a dynamic and visually striking ambiance that's simply mesmerizing. One of the key elements that define these interiors is the use of dark color schemes. Deep, moody hues set the tone for a sense of luxury and intimacy, making these living rooms perfect for relaxation and gatherings. The dark color palette serves as a backdrop, allowing the slate stone to shine even brighter. The exquisite furnishings in these living rooms are carefully selected to complement the overall design. Plush sofas, elegant coffee tables add layers of style and comfort to the space, creating a harmonious blend of form and function. If you're as captivated by these luxurious living room interiors as we are, don't forget to show your appreciation by hitting that like button below. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you the best in interior design.